turkey neck, collard greens, 15 beans, all in one pot. If you want to make this, come on, let me show you how. Today I had a request to make a meal in our slow cooker, and we are making 15 bean soup. Is that what it's called? Yeah, the 15 bean soup. But first, we need to grab some of our food from the garden. I need collard greens, so come on, I can get to them. I got some long yard beans in here too. That is one big weed. This should have to do. Let's go cook. So for this, show you what we have here and what you need, some optional ingredients that you can use to enhance the flavor. You don't need it, but you can enhance the flavor. Greens, these are my collard greens. I have some smoked turkey neck. I couldn't find turkey legs, so that's fine. Of course, you need your 15 beans, a large onion or medium onion, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, a whole onion. This is optional, some 1 or 2 Scotch bonnet pepper we had in the garden, 2 celery sticks. I'm not using this, but if you want to use it, so I have my seasoning right in this thing here. If you want to see what I put in mine, I will link it below. You'll see it in the description. Some better than bouillon base. This is also optional. We're adding the end. And you need 2 containers or 2 cartons of chicken stock. Another optional is Worcestershire sauce and some diced tomatoes. Let's get started. I'm starting with our beans. I soaked the beans overnight. The reason is the beans, because you have different size beans here, it allows it to cook evenly. And another reason is it cuts the timing in half. So instead of 8 to 10 hours to cook your beans, you can cook this on high for 4 to 5 hours, especially if you're starting like me, midday. You didn't get a chance to put this in the slow cooker. So we have washed this yesterday, but we're gonna wash it again to drain out the water and get our beans in a slow cooker. So let's go. All right, so let's add our beans in the pot. So let's add our cut up vegetables. And so we have onions, bell peppers, celery going right on the top. And I need my garlic cloves, which I like to smash it to allow those flavors to go in there. And that's 1, that's 2, 3, and 1 more. I'm gonna add 1 more for good luck, because this is these little garlic pieces are so small. Right in between, we're gonna tuck in our chicken, our turkey neck, right in there. 2 should be good for this size pot. Oops, that should be good enough. I'll save this other one. Put that right in the middle if you can. Get it right in the middle. All right, and now I am going to, if you had the pack of seasoning and you wanted to use it, you can add it at this point. I'm going to use the seasoning that I made. I'm going to season that really good. Add some parsley, and this is when you're going to add 6 cups of chicken broth. I decided to use chicken bone broth, that's my preference. You can use chicken broth, stock, chicken, whatever you got. So you need 6 cups of that. I'm gonna make sure everything gets nicely covered. And your collards right on top, just like so. And it's gonna cook down, so don't worry about it looking like it's a lot. I actually want it to be a lot. This is my last bit of collards, I think, for the season, so it's time for me to plant more. But I had some collards that's been in the ground for 2 years now, still producing. So we'll see. The heat is getting to it, but we'll see. So now that is it. I'm gonna just press this down just slightly so it can get in the liquid. But this is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and cover that up and turn this on for 4 to 5 hours. Where's my top? And check on it at about 4 hours. So I'm gonna turn this on high. So we're gonna let that cook back there. When I say this is one of the easiest meals I have made this week, no, this month, I'll be back and I'll keep you guys updated. So once the beans, we're gonna check on it at about 4 hours, but once the beans are nice and soft, you're gonna check the largest beans, make sure it's nice and soft. Then that's when you take your turkey leg or whatever turkey item you have, or whatever meat you have, and you're gonna shred that and put it back in there so it can continue to cook and soak up those flavors. I'll be back, stay tuned. Well, you can't go nowhere, you gotta see the finished plate, right? So I'll be back. I am back, just got back from the dentist. Perfect timing because all you can smell it. Let me show you. Oh goodness, that's so pretty. I have not added any other seasonings yet because I want to make sure I don't over salt it. So I'm gonna add that last. All right. Oh, buddy. Let me taste that for y'all for a second. Oh yes. Get a fork. Oh, it just falls right off. That is beautiful. Hope I can get as much turkey off of here because I am not wasting a thing. You hear me? Not a thing. So I'm gonna keep shredding this. All right. That is beautiful. So I'm gonna put this right back in the slow cooker. And then I'm gonna add the tomato, the diced tomatoes, some Worcestershire sauce, and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Just a tiny bit. All right, this is good. This is beautiful. All of this goes back in there. Now we're gonna add, oh, so delicious. It smells so good. Burn myself being greedy. Now we're gonna add our can of tomato. Where's my Worcestershire sauce? You just need a tablespoon and a tablespoon. That's good, like that. And apple cider vinegar, just a capful. That's it. Not too much, I don't like it too tangy. But stir everything together. Oh, y'all see that? Now, if you want it thicker, you can take some of the beans out. I might do that, I don't know. And then just blend it and pour it back in here if you just want it to be a little thicker. So I'm going to let this sit for a few minutes before I add any other seasoning like the better than bouillon, anything like that, because I want to make sure I don't over salt it because it could flip so quickly. So taste before you add. Oh, I also got to make some cornbread, but that'd be quick. All right. So this is the bean sauce that I just processed here, and I'm just going to pour it right in here. I always do that. There we go. Now that's delicious. All right, now we mix it. Just want it to be slightly thicker, and that's exactly what I'm looking for right there. I'll be back. Let me make my cornbread while we do that. All right, this is ready to go. That's beautiful. That is done. Y'all see that? Look, time to eat. So excited. Okay, now to try it. The official taste test. I get a little bit of everything. Melt my throat. It's so good. This needs to be done every week. I'm gonna do more. I would try and do this is so delicious. Let me be quiet for a second. Gotta get it with the cornbread. Come on. You see that? The beans are cooked so perfect and tender. The turkey is just everything. Every part of this dish is amazing. So y'all gonna make some. Let me know what you think. Come back and tell me how it tastes. I'll put everything I did in the description below. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time. Oh, I am Toni, by the way. It says Toni Meal. Until next time, thanks for watching.